In this video, I will show you how to change your Valorant username. So let's jump straight into it. So what you want to do first is open up a new internet browser and you want to come across to playvalorant.com. So if you're not already, what you want to do is sign into your account and then come up to the top right hand corner, and if you hover over my account, you then want to click onto settings. On your settings, you then want to make sure you're on your Riot ID. So if you come across this menu on the left hand side, you want to make sure you've selected Riot ID, and in the very top box, this way you can come to change your username. So just a quick note that your Riot ID can only be changed every 30 days. So what you want to do is put your new username into the box here. And go ahead and put a tagline if you want to. Once that's done, just click the red Save Changes button to confirm your changes. And as you can see, that's now been updated, and I'm not able to change this again for 30 days. So it's going to give you the date down here when you can change your username. But that's how you go ahead and change your username on Valorant. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.